All right, check this out. We're gonna install this roof rack on this E46. And if you're interested in this, there will be a link in the description. I had a hard time finding a roof rack that would fit on an E46 because the car's a little bit older, but this makes it easy. We're gonna be using the mounting positions right here in these channels. This video is not sponsored by anyone. I did buy this with my own money. Nobody sent it to me. Take this cover off. I'm just gonna use a trim tool. There's a little gap right there. Pop that up. That just twists up like that. And with these brackets and these little bumpers, I'm just gonna slide those on. It's gonna go just like that. Then we're gonna take these two washers. One of them kind of looks like it's concave in there. And this one's kind of domed out a little bit, so that's gonna go on top of there. And then take the bolt. There is multiple different size bolts, so you're gonna have to find the one that works best. We just want these barely finger tight, just so these are kind of loose. Now we need to make two of these. Don't be overwhelmed, it's really simple. Take this piece, one of these. This piece right here is loose. This is gonna slide in just like that. Might have to wiggle it a little. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side. Just like that. And this top piece, it's gonna slip into here. Like that. Now, these are going to go over here. And we're taking this bolt with the little lock washer and then this angled washer. It's going to go through here. That started and do the same on the other side. So you want to measure this on both sides, get this even. 4 inches there. It's a little more. Just tap it that way a little bit. Looks like about 4.5 inches on both sides. And then you can twist this a little bit, because you don't want wind noise. Yeah, it looks good. Tighten these up. About 7 foot-pounds. Not too tight. Do the same on the other side. And tighten these ones down. 7 foot-pounds, and these. It's good. You can have it go lower if you want to take that door off too. And you're going to take the door in this lock cylinder. You're going to push that in. You do the same with the other one. Put the key in the lock cylinder. That in. Then we'll take the key, turn it to the left so it's vertical. This cover can go on. Oops, make sure the cover's on all the way. And take the key, slide it out. Looks great. You have these pieces that are going to go underneath here. Going to help prevent whistling or any type of noise. Then you're going to cut this and then put a smaller piece underneath. It's going to go underneath. Pop that in place. And we got these caps as well. There you go. All right, check it out. It was quick and easy to install. It seems solid. I really like it. I'm going to add a snowboard rack in the future, so stay tuned for those future videos. If you're interested in this rack, there will be a link in the description. Thanks.